Greetings, Sanbonani, and a warm welcome. My name is CBO. Thank you for coming through. From simple veggies to a flavor explosion, that's our classic South African cooked chakalaka. Let's make it. Wash and chop the robot peppers, or what we call bell peppers, into small cubes. Earlier, I had chopped onion and I forgot to show its footage. Grate or mince the garlic cloves. If you are new to this channel or you have never subscribed, please subscribe and press the notification bell. Let's cook on medium heat in a pan. Heat oil, then fry onion for about 2 to 3 minutes. Check a list of ingredients in the description box below. Add the curry powder. You may choose the hot, spicy one. It's your preference. Sprinkle the origanum or oregano and stir. Add the chopped chillies. The seeds are optional. Then add the bell peppers or the robot peppers. I'm laughing because we call our traffic lights robots, and therefore our peppers are robot peppers. Sprinkle the smoked paprika or your normal paprika and stir. Add the garlic. Stir. Allow the peppers to soften a little bit, stirring in between. Wash, peel, and grate the carrots. Add them in and stir. Separate their strands because they tend to be a blob. Add the fruit chutney. If you don't have, you can add even sweet chili. That's all optional. Add the baked beans in tomato sauce and mix. Add the vegetable or chicken stock cube, or what we call the bouillon, and stir. Apologies for poor lighting. Taste it. Season with salt and pepper if it is necessary. Stir. Reduce the heat to low. Once the oil separates or sit in clusters, it is ready. Please press the like button to add value to this video. Enjoy. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.